What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Down there. Now then, what are melt marks? Oh, poor Minnie. She just took one to the face. Oh, in there. Yeah. At least nobody punched out the rest of the stuff. So there are certain chemical reactions with plastics and rubbers that will cause chemical reactions. Here is one of said chemical reactions. It looks like burn marks, but these are not burns. These are actual melts caused by chemical reactions. Creepy crawlers are notorious. They're made of the similar substance like fishing worms, and if you lay it on there, the rubber has a some kind of effect chemically to where it causes things like this. I cannot open this dispenser because the melts are so bad. But there you can see the different melts. One on the lettering. Can't remove that. No way. This one here, I know people will take X-Acto knives and try to shave it off. But you'll see these little shaved places on the stem where it's missing plastic. But you aren't fixing that melt. Nope, Minnie's blind. But that is what a melt mark looks like on a PEZ dispenser. It's not necessarily caused by heat. If only Donald was here. Donald could tell us what heat does to PEZ. So until next time...